Hard Times is a novel by Charles Dickens which falls under the category of English literature rather than American literature. It was published in 1854 and is set in Cooktown, a fictional industrial town in England during the 19th century. The novel explored the social and economic hardship faced by the working class during the Industrial Revolution. Biography Charles Dickens Charles Dickens is a famous English writer who lived in the 19th century. He was born in Portsmouth, England on February 7, 1812. Dickens was the second of 8 children, and his family experienced significant financial difficulty during his childhood. At the age of 12, Dickens' father was imprisoned for debt, and Dickens himself was forced to work in a shoe factory to help support his family. The experience of working in a factory and seeing the poverty that hit the working class became the inspiration for his later works. In 1833, Dickens began his career as a writer and journalist. Over time, Dickens is increasingly known as a writer who is skilled in describing the life of British society during the Victorian period. Apart from writing novels, Dickens is also known as a charismatic public speaker. Despite his success as a writer, Dickens' personal life was not always a happy one. He married Catherine Hogarth in 1836 and had 10 children, but the marriage was unhappy and ended in divorce in 1858. Dickens then had a relationship with actress Ellen Turner. Charles Dickens died on June 9, 1870, at Cardshill Place, Rochester, England. His work is still remembered and appreciated as one of the greatest writers in the history of English literature. History of Personal Life of Author Charles Dickens, salah satu penulis Inggris paling terkenal di abad ke-19, memiliki kehidupan pribadi yang memesona yang memengaruhi karya sastranya. Childhood and Education Dickens mengalami masa kecil yang penuh gejolak yang ditandai dengan kesulitan keuangan. Ayahnya, John Dickens, adalah seorang juru tulis di kantor pembayaran angkatan laut, tetapi dia sering berkutat dengan hutang. Pada usia 12 tahun, ayah Dickens dipenjara karena hutang, dan Charles muda dikirim untuk bekerja di pabrik penghitaman untuk menghidupi keluarga. Early career Dickens' passion for writing emerged in his early 20s. He became a freelance reporter and started publishing his sketches and short stories in various newspapers and magazines. Marriage and family life In 1836, Dickens married Catherine Thompson Hogarth, the daughter of newspaper editor. They had 10 children together over a span of 22 years, but their marriage eventually deteriorated. In 1858, Dickens separated from Catherine and began an affair with a young actress named Ellen Turner. Literary success and social activism Dickens achieved great success as a writer, producing several well-known novels. Public reading and performance Dickens was an exceptional performer and often gave public readings of his works. Social circle and friendship Dickens had a wide circle of friends, including fellow writers such as Wilkie Collins. Later years and legacy Charles Dickens passed away on June 9, 1870, at the age of 58. Overall, Charles Dickens' personal life was marked by both triumphs and challenges, and his experiences undoubtedly shaped his writings. which remain beloved and influential to this day. The other literary works of writer. Yang pertama ada Oliver Twist pada tahun 1837 sampai 1839, The Story of an Orphan Boy Who Faced Poverty and Crime in 19th Century in London. Yang kedua ada David Copperfield pada tahun 1849 sampai 1850. Yang ketiga ada Bleak House pada tahun 1852 sampai 1853. Yang keempat ada Hard Times pada tahun 1854. This novel focuses on the industrial town of Cooktown and critiques the harsh realities of the Industrial Revolution throughout its characters and their struggles. Yang kelima ada A Christmas Carol pada tahun 1843. Yang keenam ada Little Dorrit pada tahun 1855 sampai 1857. Yang ketujuh ada Great Expectation pada tahun 1860 sampai 1861. Yang kedelapan ada Our Mutual Friend pada tahun 1864 sampai 1865. Yang terakhir ada The Mystery of Edwin Drood, unfinished, published 1870. Dickens passed away before completing this novel, leaving it as a mystery for readers to speculate on the intended outcome. Synopsis of the story. The story focuses on the fictional city called Cooktown and its various characters. Mr. Thomas Gridgrine was a strict educator, adhering to a philosophy that emphasized logic, facts, and material gain. She educates her two children, Louisa and Tom, with a very rational approach and ignores everything that is emotional. However, the Gridgrine family life was not happy. Louisa married a man named Mr. Bunderby, who was older than him, without any love. Louisa felt an emotional void and dissatisfaction in her marriage. In the middle of the story, a character named Stephen Blackpool appears, a factory worker who has a very difficult life. Hard Times present a critical picture of the bitterness of life amid industrial development and reflect Dickens' social critique of the balance between material progress and human well-being. The novel explores themes such as morality, emotion, hope, and the importance of balance between thought and feelings in human life. In summary, Charles Dickens' personal life and his literary works share similarities in terms of social criticism, characterization, and the influence of his childhood experiences. However, there were also differences, such as the inclusion of more optimistic endings in his novels, the portrayal of romantic relationships, and the fictionalized nature of his works compared to his own life. Analysis characters. And the first, Thomas Gridgrine. Thomas Gridgrine is a prominent character and principal at Cooktown. Dia mewujudkan filosofi saat itu, menghargai fakta dan alasan di atas segalanya. And the second, Louisa Gridgrine. Louisa is the eldest daughter of Thomas Gridgrine. Dia tumbuh di bawah prinsip ayahnya yang ketat, yang menekan emosinya dan membatasi pemahamannya tentang dunia. Yang ketiga ada Josiah Bunderby. Josiah Bunderby is a wealthy, self-employed industrialist in Cooktown. Dia menampilkan dirinya sebagai model kesuksesan dan kemandirian, membual tentang permulaannya yang sederhana. Yang keempat ada Stephen Blackpool. Stephen Blackpool is a factory worker in Cooktown and one of the most sympathetic characters in the novel. Dia terjebak dalam pernikahan tanpa cinta dengan seorang istri, pecandu alkohol dan kasar. Upayanya untuk menceraikannya menyebabkan kesulitan yang signifikan. And the last, Sissy Jupe. Sissy Job is the daughter of circus performer and a student at Gridcraft School. Dia mewakili kebajikan imajinasi, empati, dan kasih sayang yang kurang dalam filosofi Cooktown. Analysis story. The novel begins by introducing the Gridcraft family, particularly Thomas Gridcraft, a wealthy and strict schoolmaster who believes in the philosophy of rationality and faith-based education. He raises his children, Louisa and Tom, devoid of imagination, emotion, and artistic expression, emphasizing only practicality and faith. Louisa Gridcraft is portrayed as a young woman trapped in a loveless marriage with Josiah Bundarby, an older industrialist and banker. Bundarby is an arrogant and self-made man who constantly boasts about his humble origins. Meanwhile, the novel also focuses on the experience of Stephen Blackpool, a factory worker, and his troubled relationship with his abusive wife. Stephen represents the working class and embodies the hardship faced by the laborers during the industrial era. As the story progresses, the life of these characters intersect and their personal struggles intensify. Louisa's internal conflict between her upbringing and her desires leads her to make a fateful decision, while Tom Gridcraft, driven by his own desperation, resorts to criminal activity. These events culminate in a series of revelations, moral reckonings, and dramatic climax. Throughout hard times, Dickens highlights the dehumanizing effect of industrialization and the negative consequence of a society driven solely by utilitarian value and economic gain. He criticized the rigid class structure, the exploitation of the working class, and the neglect of emotional and imaginative development. Ultimately, the novel suggests that a balance between rationality and humanity is crucial for a just and compassionate society. Dickens emphasizes the importance of empathy, compassion, and the recognition of individual worth beyond mere utilitarian calculation. Hard Times remains a powerful exploration of social injustice, the consequence of unchecked capitalism, and the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. It serves a critique of a society that neglects the emotional and spiritual needs of its citizens, reminding readers of the importance of compassion, understanding, and the pursuit of a more equitable world. Message of the story. The dangers of a society. Dickens portrays a society that values faith, statistics, and productivity above all else. He highlights the negative consequence of this philosophy, emphasizing the devaluation of human emotion, imagination, and individuality human. The importance of empathy and compassion, the power of imagination and creativity, the need for education that encompasses more than faith and figure. Overall, the message of Hard Times is a call for a more compassionate and balanced society that values the complexity of human experience, embracing empathy, imagination, and holistic education as crucial elements of a fulfilling life.